Hey, what's up? It's Elaine. Don't be scared. I know this is very Today I'm going to show you guys how to clean your eyebrows for beginners. This used to be my method in the beginning when I did not know how to clean my eyebrows. I used this method for like 2 years or maybe 3 years or maybe sometimes still right now. But as you guys can see, as you guys can see, like my brow does not have a shape. Like this one kind of has a shape, but this one is like, yeah, all over the place. But I'm gonna show you guys how I clean this no-shaped eyebrows. First, of course, I need a tweezer. Well, I tweeze them. Some people, I don't know, whatever you do, but I tweeze them. So I'm gonna need this, and also I'm gonna need either an eyebrow pencil or an eyeliner. So with one of them, I'm going to draw the shape that I want, the length that I want, the thickness that I want, and then I'm gonna see if they are symmetrical, because that's the hardest part, you know, they have to be symmetrical. Why are eyebrows so hard to be symmetrical? But yeah, I'm gonna check in multiple different ways I'm gonna show you guys. And then I'm just gonna tweeze out all of the eyebrows that are not colored in. Yeah, it's like art class, but everything about makeup is kind of art, you know? Yeah, I don't know. Usually I do eyeliner, but since I feel like a lot of people might judge me, because black is easier to see, you know? So, but this is too light. Okay, who cares if people judge me, right? You just do whatever you want to do. I'll do whatever I want to do, okay? And I'll just use black. I'm gonna use black. So I'm gonna start filling in from what I usually do. Oh my eyebrows are actually so messy, huh? Guys, I'm so sorry. There's like this wind sound going on my window because it's so windy today. But I love the weather. Like I love the windy weather. But also there was a fire nearby us, so I had to close my window. And so many ashes came into my room. Like my whole desk, my bed just got very ashy. Do you guys hear that? Yeah. Very scary at night. But anyway, I'm just gonna brush this little thing real quick. So first, I'm just gonna draw my eyebrow, the shape that I want it to. Wow. Okay. As usual, I am drawing the outline first. That's just how I do all my makeup. How does that look, guys? Ooh, okay, that looks good so far, right? That looks good so far, I think. Okay, I'm done drawing it. Obviously, they're really like not even. First way I could check if it's even or not is ask someone. Are they symmetrical?
I'm so confused. This side is a little thicker.
Thicker.
Yeah.
Thank you. But if nobody is near you, then get a ruler. You're literally gonna measure it. Okay. I can't see. Oh my dude. Okay, that looks a little better. This arch is higher. Like I can have no facial expression because it's gonna move my eyebrows. I move my eyebrows so much when I talk. Okay, the arch has to come lower for this one. Okay, cool. The lighting here and here is different, so sorry guys. And the third way is to take a picture of yourself and mirror it. Yes, and then since you're so used to your face like this way, if you mirror it, it will be very different. So you'll be able to see the difference in your eyebrows. Another way is to use this right here, this line. I've been using this line the whole time I was recording, but I'm recording on my phone. That's why I have this line on iPhone. So So looking at legit, just like matching it with the line helps for me too. I'm done now, right? I think I'm done. Okay, it can't be like perfect. Just pluck the ones that are not colored. So now I'm just gonna erase my eyeliner. Add reality. Okay, here are my brows. As you could tell, is way cleaner than the beginning, but there's a lot of fillings to do, so let me do that ASAP. I'm gonna draw my eyebrows in. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you guys have any questions, you guys just comment down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and to subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!